Hello you guys, what is up? It's Kendra, welcome back to my channel. I sound dead because I just woke up, but I'm here filming. We're gonna ignore this situation as well. I'm going after. I was supposed to get up early, go get my nails done, and then film, and then I got up late, and filming's a priority, so here we are. Hey. Today I have something fun for you guys. We are coming into like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, so stay tuned. This channel is gonna have all the best deals for you guys. But this is a DOLLSKILL kind of haul, you know, kind of the usual. But I picked everything from the Poster Girl collection, which I'm actually really excited about because a lot of it is so freaking cute, and it's like perfect for fall, a little bit schoolgirl vibes, like tons of fun. DOLLSKILL also sent me a PR box, and I'm super stoked to show you guys what's in it. I looked just a little bit, but it's really cute. So, DOLLSKILL exclusive merch box. I'm excited to unbox it and show you guys. The last thing before we get into the haul, if you guys are new here, hi, my name is Kendra. I make videos twice a week. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on your post notifications, give this video a big thumbs up, and leave me a comment letting me know what you thought, what you want to see next. If you didn't take that hint to subscribe, go do it now. Thank you very much. Follow me on Instagram as well. It's Kendra Rowe, and Snapchat. Dog decided to run around. Snapchat is Kinder Surprisers, and then all the items that I wore are linked down below, and make sure you guys check out DOLLSKILL as well. I love them, they love me, it's great, it's a great time. Okay, for accessories, the box came with this really cute dog tag. It says DOLLSKILL, and then it says, if found, please return to dollskill.com. It fits on my dog perfectly, so you already know he's rocking that. And then they sent 2 hats, so this cute little snapback, which I'm kind of obsessed with. It's kind of an iconic moment. And then a bucket hat. It's like a fuzzy bucket hat that says DOLLSKILL on it, which I'm also obsessed with. I got this really cute oversized distressed, if you can kind of see, hoodie that's embroidered with DOLLSKILL. This really cute graphic. It says, good girls go to heaven, bad girls go to DOLLSKILL. And then it has like the little DOLLSKILL logo on the back, super cute. This super cute little graphic, cropped long sleeve, it just says DOLLSKILL on it, and it has like the exposed stitching. I love PR boxes. This super thin, really cute black like ribbed tank says DOLLSKILL embroidered on it. And last, this little tennis skirt, it says DOLLSKILL embroidered on it. It is like really big on me, but I'm gonna hem it. Not hem it, but like bring in the waist. So cute. Show them your chain. DOLLSKILL chain. Look how cute. He's so tired. He's like, put me down. Let me go to sleep. What are you doing? Okay, so that was the PR unboxing. Now we're gonna move into the haul. I'm really excited. I got some super cute pieces, so let's go. DOLLSKILL for like Black Friday and coming up came out with a collabs collection, and I think you guys are gonna love it. So they have DOLLSKILL X Looney Tunes, DOLLSKILL X Powerpuff Girls. I saw Care Bears, but I didn't get anything from them. DOLLSKILL X Bratz, and DOLLSKILL X My Little Pony. So I got 4 pieces from like kind of one from each collection, so I'll show them to you guys right now. So this is the Looney Tunes one. It's just like an oversized white t-shirt with all the characters on the front. I think it's so cute. Okay, so this is the Powerpuff Girls one. It's just a black long sleeve. It says like Zoot, Kabloy, Wunk, Fizzat. It's kind of like fun wild stuff, and then it's got the Powerpuff Girls on the front, and it says Powerpuff Girls. Powerpuff Girls. Cute, right? Then we have this My Little Pony graphic. I think it's cute, and it's just kind of like comfy. Yeah, all of these pieces are so freaking comfy, but this one has the pony on the front. It says My Little Pony. Okay, and the last hoodie is this little Bratz hoodie. So it has the Bratz girls on it. It says Bratz, just like a cute little oversized hoodie. Cutest. Then I got this really cute exposed seams, like kind of crop top. So the shoulders are like peekaboo, and it looks like this in the front, and it is so freaking cute. Like how freaking adorable. And it goes up tighter if you want it, but I was kind of vibing the whole like open vibe.
Then I got this really cute matching set. I think it's perfect as like pajamas and just to kind of lounge around in. But it comes with these really cute little shorts. And the top looks like this, so it just kind of like snaps up if you're feeling wild. And it has little scrunches on the sleeves. I think it's so cute, and it's just so comfy and so soft and really flattering, like, love. Okay, then I got this kind of under boob corset thing. I have got a few of them from DOLLSKILL before, but I didn't have a black one, and this one's like black and shiny, and it's really cute and has like little straps to like do it up, like little buckles. It's real cute. I like it. I got these pants. I think I'm finally learning how to show you guys bottoms in the haul. I mean, it's not great, but and ignore that box. But I got these joggers. So they have these little back pockets that are like Velcro-y. Fun. So they are like really cute, like wide leg, but then they're like fitted at the bottom. Can you peep the slippers? I wear them in every video. And they're really fun and interesting. So they have little belt loops, obviously, but they don't have like a little button, which I think is cute. It's literally just a zipper. So you can kind of wear them like however you want. Like if you want to roll them down, if that's your vibe. I feel like I'm just dragging this on, but anyways, you get the point of the pants. They're really cute. Okay, then I got this white kind of dressy top, but it's really cute because it's like cut out and like corset-y in the front. This does up, but I cannot get it to stay. There we go. It's just really cute, and I have it paired with the joggers. But yeah, so it's got a little cutout in the back as well. It's just really cute and fun. Coming to the end of this crazy haul, I have the hiccups now. This whole thing has been an experience. So happy to share it with you guys. Don't mind me dying. I got this really cute shirt that says "Ride Me." I know what you all are thinking, and don't get weird about it. I just thought it was really cute. I love little graphic crops. And then it came with this little thong. Real cute. Yep. Do you guys see the struggle I'm having today? Please comment hiccup cures down below. I'm hoping the hiccups will be gone by the time this video is posted, but if like 3 days from now I'm still dying of hiccups, it's nice knowing y'all. Last thing I got is this really cute jacket. I need jackets. It's like a little varsity jacket. I'm actually kind of obsessed with it. On the side it says like bitch. It's really cute. The back has a little hood. But the hood has a zipper on it, so you can like undo the hood. And then it says something in the back. It says, "Fine AF," which I am. Cheers. This haul has been a roller coaster, and I am so happy that you guys shared it with me. Wow. Ignore the hiccups during this last part. This is literally so embarrassing, but I'm getting this haul done. And I've just tried like 10 different things to stop the almost passed out from holding my breath. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Thank you again to DOLLSKILL for helping me out with this haul. Everything that I wore is linked down below. Make sure you guys check out DOLLSKILL as well. They are also linked down below. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on your post notifications, give this video a big thumbs up for my disaster that's right now. And leave me a comment letting me know what you thought, what you want to see next. And also please provide me with some hiccup cures because I help. I think that's all. All my other social media is linked down below. Come chat with me, come see Twitter. Follow me on Instagram, Kendra Rowe. Add me on Snapchat, Kinder Surprisers. Okay, I need to go. I love you guys. Thank you. Thank you. See you guys in my next haul. Bye.